Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. Today's video is going to be my Boxy Charm unboxing video, and this is for the month of January. So I'm just going to be trying on what I got in this month's box. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxy Charm, just keep on watching. Now before we get on to the video, please press the subscribe button down below. Click the subscribe button and please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also comment down below what you got in your Boxy Charm for this month. And let's get on to the video. I ended up getting 2 skincare products, which I'm just gonna insert clips of me applying them. And I got 2 like makeup items, and the other thing I got I got a Dr. Brandt retinol eye cream. I don't use Dr. Brandt because he's not cruelty free, so I'm just gonna feature the 4 items that are cruelty free and that were in this box. So I'm gonna start off with the skincare products that I got. I'm just gonna review them and talk to you guys about them. The first skincare item that I got is the Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydecine 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleepy Mask. So I put this on last night and I went to sleep with it, and I actually really like this mask thing. It really like made my skin really glowy this morning. When I woke up this morning and I like washed my face, I feel like my skin just looked so much brighter, and my skin just looked more like awake, and my skin was just really soft. This mask retails for $107. Yeah, so I don't know. I know for a fact I will not be purchasing this ever for $107. Like, it's a good mask, but I ain't got the type of money. The next thing I got in my box was this right here. This is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. So I used this today before filming this video and before putting on my makeup, and I just did what it said. I left it on my skin and I just did circular motions on my skin and my neck, my face and my neck, and I just kept doing like circular motions and all that stuff. I took like a wet cloth and wiped my skin, and after using this, my skin was really soft. And I will say, like, when I was applying my skin tint from Colourpop, I felt like it was really like sinking into my skin. Like, I didn't feel like the product was sitting on my skin, and I really feel like everything just kind of blended out smoother and better. So this was really good. I usually do not like using physical exfoliates like this. I like more chemical exfoliators. I did like how it felt, and I like how my skin felt after using this exfoliator. So now on to the almost end of this video. I basically did my whole makeup off camera because in the box I only had 2 things, and the 2 things were this Preety Vulgar concealer, and I got a lipstick from Qveen. I'm just gonna apply this concealer underneath my eyes and like my chin and stuff. And this isn't really a highlighting concealer for me. This is kind of like a natural skin tone concealer. So I'm just gonna apply this and I'll see how I like this concealer. First impressions on this concealer is that it's definitely very light coverage. This is not by any means like a medium or full coverage concealer. It's just super light concealer, because I feel like when I was blending this concealer out, I feel like it didn't really cover anything, if that makes sense. Like, I don't feel like anything really got covered. On to the last product in the box. I got the Qveen liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Thick Skin. I like the name Thick Skin. So I'm just going to put this onto my lips, and this is what the shade looks like. It's like a really pretty like corally shade. So this is a little light for me, so I'm just gonna line my lips with my KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 2. I absolutely love this lip liner a lot, so I'm just gonna line my lips and put the lipstick on. Not an ugly color when I mixed it with my lip liner. It's more of a sticky lipstick, like when I go like this, like, do you see that? It's like my lips stick together. It's not a bad color. So basically that's my Boxycharm. This was like the first time I was disappointed with a box, so not really happy with this month's box. I think that it could have been better. I really liked the Skin & Co exfoliator. The mask was really good, but I would never buy for $107. Lipstick is pretty, and the concealer, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I have to try it more. I have to try the concealer a little bit more, but I'm just gonna add the total of everything and tell you guys the overall value of the box. After doing calculations on my calculator, I'm going old school here. The overall value was $232, which is amazing because I only pay $25 a month for the Boxycharm subscription, the base box. So yeah, that's this video. That is it for it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this short little Boxycharm unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and please leave video suggestions down below in the comment section. Please let me know what types of videos you guys want to see here. So again, thank you for watching my video, and I'm Simplykrystelle, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.